I just have to say, you can't take me anywhere. I have no idea what is in this box. But we're going to open it together and be equally as surprised. So let me tell you a story. Apparently, I got an alert a couple days ago, and it said, your order from officesupply.com is on its way to you. And I'm thinking to myself, I didn't order anything from officesupply.com. But I did watch Carrie the Paper Monkey do an unboxing of the said items that she had hauled. And then I thought, did I do like sleepy shopping? Sometimes in the middle of the night, I don't sleep so well. So what did I do? I honestly do not remember ordering this or anything that's inside of here. So it's going to be a mystery to me and to you. So we're just going to go for it. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, well, now I do briefly remember putting things in my in my cart and saying, oh, maybe I'll come back and order this. I don't remember hitting check out, but apparently I did. So a lot of these I have match some of the things that I already have as collections, and that was my thought. But do I remember ordering it? No. Please tell me I'm not crazy and that I'm not the only one in this world who has done something like this. It's the first time I can ever remember doing something like this, but here we go. This says Parasol, 61 chipboard stickers. Looks like it's just the one sheet. Cute. Followed by, oh, what's this? Who's this by? Is this by Cart? I don't even know. Maggie Holmes. So thanks, Maggie. This is Sunshine. Oh, this is another one. I was like, oh, this would be great for my tropical journals. It would be great for my citrus journals. So this is by Little Birdie. And what I do remember when I was looking on there, after my friend Carrie enabled me, that I was thinking, let's try some things that I don't already have. Like, I've never had Little Birdie. I don't know if I've had Maggie Holmes. Maybe I've thrifted some, but I haven't personally went out and bought a kit. So there you go. Once again, I don't remember hitting checkout. I might just put everything back in the box, wrap up the box, and open it on Christmas. This says 12 designs, including a sheet of pre-punched doilies, a fussy cut sheet, and a sheet of journaling cards. Do I have to fussy cut all those? That doesn't sound fun to me. It looks like these, no, you gotta fussy cut them. Okay. This is a very large item. See, I do not remember any of this. Let's look at all these little things before we open up that prepackaged one. Oh, this was something, oh my gosh, I must have okay, so I have one or two of these already. It's the Tim Holtz wallpaper, and you know how I love my vintage wallpaper. And it's worn wallpaper is what it's called. And apparently I ordered 3 packs of them. So I'll take one up to the lake. I'll put one with my Wallpaper Wednesday stuff, and maybe I'll just use one here handy. Good Lord, Angela. Help me not feel like a total dork for doing this, I'm telling you. All right, let's see what else we got here. Be Valiant, 72 ephemera pieces. That's cute. They got vellum pieces here, and then these are the big ones. And these will match a lot of the stuff that I have, so I'll put that up in the, there you go, you can see the back of it. Gosh, I wonder if there's a receipt in here, because I have no idea how much I spent. That would be nice to know. This is called Gingham. I can see why I would get this. Gingham Garden by American Crafts. Also American Crafts. It's okay. This is by Maggie Holmes. Oh, this is the parasol, so it goes with that. Perfect. Oh, but wait, there's more in here. This is Paige Evans. I've thrifted some Paige Evans I've never purchased. Unless there's a possibility I did when I went to Tennessee and I went to that scrapbook superstore. I might have got some Paige Evans. But this is all florals. And this is also all florals, but they're different. Garden Shop Blooming Wild. I'm not going to open all these. I'll just stick them up with my kits. Angelina. Let's dig deep in here and see if there's anything else. Oh, there's a couple. One more thing. Oh, this is the sketchbook. Didn't I have something else that was sketchbook? No, this is just Be Valiant. And then this is sketchbook. Oh, Poppy and Pear is the name of this one. American Crafts, both of these. So there you go. All right, now I've got this big one here. I'm just going to slide these back in there, and I think I'm just going to wrap this up. Okay, this is big. Here we go. This is what I got left in here. Yeah, I don't need paper. I can't believe I mean, I definitely will love it, I'm sure. Sorry, this is really loud. All right, let's just put these up here. No receipt. I'm going to have to go online and see what I bought. I purposely did not look at the receipt because I was like, well, I guess this is going to be Merry Christmas to me. All right, here's the gingham. Yeah, these are, I don't really like these as much as I thought. I mean, I'll definitely use them, but so those go with that kit. Oh, here's the parasol 6x8. Oh. Well, I don't know how much you guys think I spent on this. I know they had a huge clearance. That's why I was looking at it. $70, $100, I don't know. Maybe if I shoot high, I'll be really impressed by what I actually paid and be like, oh, it was only XYZ. Listen to me justifying it. All right. Oh, for the love. I hate those things on the side, do you? So, thanks a lot, Carrie. I appreciate you very much. Truthfully, I do appreciate you, but did I need this stuff? Probably not. Well, this is pretty. It's one-sided. There's some more. And it looks like every page is a little bit different. That's kind of neat, and it's got the little strip on there you can use for something else. That's cute. I'm flipping through this kind of fast. And it looks like it no? I thought maybe then it repeats. No? Is it repeating? Yeah, maybe it is. All right, yes. Okay, so that is parasol. That goes with those die cuts. Another gingham pack, gingham garden. These I like. I like this a lot. Little journal cards and note cards. And then some parasol stickers. Well, I'm going to be a busy girl. Yeah, those are cute. All right, and then last but not least are, it looks like 3 paper pads. Let's see what we got. A sketchbook. I suppose you got these things on them, yeah. Well, here's the thing. Normally, every year, once a year, usually at the end of the year, and I do it around Christmas and then I wrap it up, I place an order at Echo Park. This year, I was like, I don't think there's anything new that I need. At one time, I thought that they had a Wizard of Oz one, but I have since not been able to find it. And, which I'd love for my Wizard of Oz. Oh, this is pretty. Wizard of Oz journals. So, we're just going to call this my replacement for Echo Park. This is a neat paper pad. I like this one a lot. Okay, winning. Hope I have room up there for the rest of these. Yeah, I wasn't going to order the Echo Park this year. I guess God had a different plan for me. He felt like I needed all of this. Oh, those are cute. Well, we're going to have a whole lot of fun this year playing with all of these. Yeah, they're all different. Wow. Pretty cool. 48 pages. All right, we're going to stick that one back in here. Then I got... What else did I get? I went to a garden party. Shoot, I can't. This is the Maggie Holmes garden party, so I think there was a couple of things that went with that. Ow. 24 sheets. Stickers, pattern paper, and cardstock. Yeah, I'm not... These are the stickers. These have to... Those are cute. This is single-sided. Bunny Yabbits. This one's okay. I mean, don't get me wrong. I will use every single page in here, but... Tea party, those would be great. My tea party journals. I'd love to do a good tea party journal. Come on. Oh. All of that for just a pink page. And then these are all solids. Okay. That's cute. And then the last one that I got in this bundle is... Hold on, it's going to get loud. Sorry if you're like me and don't like the sound of the crinkles. This is Happy Haven. A project pad. Oh, it looks like I'm going to like these colors, that's for sure. Let's see, what does this say? It just says 24 sheets. Doesn't say any. This is a We Are Makers with gold foil. Woo la la. I'm trying to get the sticker off my finger. There we go. All right. Well, you can kind of see my aesthetic for sure, can't you? I like all of the brights and pastels. Okay. Oh, and this, you can't see it, but if you're a scrapbooker, it's got little layouts for you to do. Stickers. Those are cute. More stickers. I like that. Yes, I love these colors. I know I'm flipping my hand right in your face. Again, this is single-sided. Well, I guess my sleepy shopping paid off because what a fun little bundle of goodies. Seriously, I am going to wrap this up for myself. Merry Christmas to me. And then these must all be solids. There you go. And here's what it says it's got on the back. So, friends, I do not know if they're still doing a great big sale at officesupply.com, but if you liked what you saw in today's video and look or wishing to pick some things up for yourself, hop on over there, check them out. And, you know, if you want to be surprised, try the Angela method and just shop when it's 2 o'clock in the morning and you can't sleep. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I look forward to hearing from all of you. What was your favorite? What's your advice? And have you ever done this before? Until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be. We'll see you soon. Cheers.